Hey everyone, how are you? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Today I'm going to be reviewing Spyder System. Now what is Spyder System? This is a launch that is being done by Brendan Mace on June 13th. So we're going to talk about what Spyder System is. We're going to talk about a lot of bonuses that I'm going to be offering, some of the features of Spyder System, some testimonials, the price, and a whole lot more. So stick around and I'll see you on the other side. Hey everybody, so what is Spyder System? Spyder System, Smart Spyder System spreads sticky webs of traffic 24/7, 365 and makes us $1,000 a pop over and over and over again. So this is something that once you install it basically is automated. It doesn't stop. You can go and do whatever you need to do, but this will keep working for you. So let's find out how this actually works. But first, I want to take you over to my bonus page and I want to show you some of the great bonuses that I'm going to be offering if you decide to purchase Spyder System with my affiliate link. So let's take a look at these. So my first bonus has a value of $377, and this is a case study that shows how to make 5 digits in a month, $10,000 in a month, okay? So this shows you the step-by-step process. And if you follow this step, you can potentially make $10,000 a month as well. And then once you know how to do that, you can just rinse and repeat. So this has a lot of value and I'm giving it to you for free. Okay. My second bonus, valued at $247, is called The Profit Power of Facebook. Okay. So most of us, we just use Facebook as recreational, right? But actually, Facebook is very powerful, of course, and it's free as well, right? So if you use some of the features to your benefit, you can really leverage your name, get your name out there, get more profit, more sales. This will show you some little cool hacks and tips, how you can really help yourself get known and then start making sales without even really trying. So this is really interesting, really cool. When I saw this, light bulbs kind of went off in my head as well. So I'm hoping that you'll get a lot of benefit out of this as well, okay? My third bonus, valued at $347, is called Proven Methods to make $5,000 a day, okay? So I got this map here. All you gotta do, again, is follow the step-by-step process, do what is done here, and you can also be making $5,000 a day. My fourth bonus, valued at $297, is called 7 Tips to Give Your YouTube Channel Authority. Okay, so YouTube, there's so many videos going on out there. How do you rank? There's so much competition. This is going to give you 7 key tips to help you go upscale, so you can use backlinks, SEO. People are going to start to see that you're climbing up and you're going to have more clout, you're going to have more respect and more trust. All of that is going to equal more traffic and ultimately more sales as well. Okay, and my fifth and final bonus, valued at $297, is 7 missteps of email marketing. Okay, so this is going to show you what not to do. A lot of these are just simple things that when we're new, we just kind of fall into, right? And we think, why aren't we getting the results that we think we should be getting? So this is going to steer you out of that and help you get the results you want much faster. And again, this is valued at $297. You're going to get it absolutely free if you decide to purchase today with my link. So that being said, also guys, before we get in there, all of these red buttons here will just take you to my sales page, okay? So It'll walk you through it. Just press access here and you'll get these bonuses ready to go. But enough of that. Let's get into Spyder system. What is it? Okay. So we talked about sticky webs, automated, does it for you, and it can grow, right? So some of the features here: no website, no list, no experience, no problem. Sticky webs multiplies your results. All traffic is 100% included for free. Everything is provided, pro version included free. Set and forget system with no maintenance. Again, autopilot. You set it once, set it and forget it basically. It's done for you. No expenses or hassles after setup. Works in any niche you want. So if you decide that you want to try other sectors, other industries, you can use this software to also gain traffic and gain sales and gain exposure. Okay, scalable. So once you do it one time, you can just rinse and repeat. It doesn't matter if you want to keep it in the same sector, change sectors, change industries. You can just keep redoing it and over, and the Spyder system will just start growing. Okay. So again, $12.93. Yeah, we'll talk about that in a minute. Okay, so Spyder is smart, so you don't have to be. Okay, well, if you're a newbie or you're feeling overwhelmed, as many of us do sometimes, this could be a great opportunity just to kind of plug it in, get it set up, and then see what kind of results you can get, okay? So activate, step 1, activate the Spyder webs. Step 2, massive leads, massive traffic, massive sales, and the best part, step 3, everything is multiplied over and over and over. So like we talked about, it's scalable. Spyder webs grow over time. Every day, the amount of exposure is expanded to bigger and bigger levels. Okay, here we have some testimonials. So this is Kendrick. He says he loves it. Okay. This is Charisse. Okay, again, she was a newbie. I felt overwhelmed when it comes to internet marketing because it's usually men that are getting the big results. Okay, so she's doing a great job. She's getting the results that she likes from this Spyder system. Okay, Estelle, Boyce, Murray, all positive feedback. Okay. All right, so imagine this scenario. You just spend a few seconds getting things set up, as we talked about. Didn't have to sell anything, didn't have to do anything complicated, and you're able to make money like this every single day without any additional work required to make consistent daily profits. So you're not going to have to put a microphone or a camera in front of your face. You're not going to have to be aggressively trying to sell. This is something that is just like I said, run on autopilot. So if you're a little bit shy getting in front of a camera, or you feel shy maybe trying to sell a product, this is just robotic, done for you, okay? So of course, talking about some of the benefits of having some extra income. Okay, even if you're struggling from scratch, the Spyder system is designed to go from 0 to 100 fast. So they're not guaranteeing results, but they're just saying you're going to get results pretty damn fast if you do buy Spyder system. Okay. All right. Again, 24/7, 365 on autopilot. Very quick, only 30 seconds or so to activate per web. Once you've got it running, you can leave it in the background forever. Okay. And again, you can just rinse and repeat. All right. So if you buy the Spyder system, this is something you don't need to have, okay? So you don't need to have websites, you don't need to make videos, no e-com, no BS traffic, email marketing, Google PPC, no Facebook ads, no hosting, no autoresponders, no writing articles, no YouTube, no social media. On and on and on and on. None of that stuff. Now, as you know, especially in the beginning, if you're doing affiliate marketing, this takes a lot of time to do, right? So Spyder system can potentially save you a lot of time, a lot of hassle, a lot of stress. Okay? So we can personally guarantee you that this is something you've never seen before. We consider this breakthrough technology because we're finally putting yourself where you need to be, right in front of the money with no hassles. Okay. It spreads whether you like it or not. Okay? Once activated, the Spyder web grows virally over time. we give you free traffic to get started with your Spyder system. That's very important, okay? Because as we know, starting to get traffic cold can take a lot of time. Sometimes it feels like you're just spinning your wheels, so they're going to provide free traffic if you buy this product as well. But it gets better. Free traffic that you generate has a multiplying effect, which grows exponentially over time. The reality is that our Spyder system spreads like a virus, but instead of making you sick, it generates more and more free traffic into your business. For example, if you can create one web in 30 seconds, that web can easily grow into a sustainable source of traffic and leads forever. And it only took 30 seconds, okay? And then you can just keep, as I said, keep doing that. Okay, no launch shacking, no e-commerce, no boring content creation, no product creation, no hard work, no outsourcing. Okay, now if you're going to get it, they're also going to include a premium autoresponder for free and a premium funnel builder for free. Okay, so now you can send unlimited email to unlimited subscribers. But we don't just stop there, they say. It also lets you build unlimited funnels and host unlimited files. Usually the value of this gift is easily worth $2,000 a year. Okay? It says the ClickFunnels alone is $3,600 a year. But when you act today, we'll give you access to our premium solution 100% free, no monthly, no recurring costs ever. Okay, so they're really pushing you to buy this now, because down the road, the price is going to go up a little bit each hour, and this could be a monthly paid subscription. But if you buy it during this launch time, this next few days, all of this stuff is just a one-time buy and then no extra costs after that. Just our way of saying thank you for trusting us and taking the Spyder system for a test drive. And guys, if you don't like it, if you decide to buy it and you don't like it, you'll get a money back guarantee, okay? So you can try it for a whole year, okay? Well, okay, excuse me, 30-day guarantee, but love it, or you can have your money back anytime within the first 365 days. And they're so confident that you're gonna like it, they'll even pay you $500. Wow. Okay, you guys, so there's a few more benefits down here. Okay, here's the benefits of grabbing Spyder system immediately. So the faster you act, the lower the price is, as we talked about. 0 monthly fees when you get it in the launch period. 6 bonuses will be removed within hours. Get first movers advantage over your competition. Be amongst the first to use this groundbreaking app. Early adopters get the 365-day money-back guarantee. And finally, breakthrough to traffic and experience success. All right, now let's talk about the price and some of the extra features that they're only going to feature during this launch period. Okay, guys, so here is my bonus page. We're just going to go down now from the top. I'm going to talk about all the features that is in this bonus page. Of course, my bonuses, but also some of the features and the price of Spyder system. Okay, so again, smart Spyder system spreads sticky webs with traffic 24/7, 365. Now, my bonus is going to be good for about 4 days as I'm recording this. So 3 hours, 23, just about 4 days here. Okay, so make sure if you do see this soon and you want to get my bonuses and everything one-time buy, this is where you're going to want to do it. Okay, so Sticky Webs multiplies your results. All traffic 100% included for free. Everything is provided. Set it and forget it. No expenses. Works in any niche. Scalable, as we talked about. Okay, we talked about that. So the price, originally or in the future, it could be as high as $67 a month. Okay, so this is why they're really trying to promote this, give you a lot of benefit, a lot of value in the beginning. So it really makes it much more just common sense to buy it soon rather than pay a monthly fee. They're also throwing in some one-time offers as well. Okay, so $12.93 one time. As I said, we're also going to give you, or they're going to give you for free, their premium autoresponder and their premium funnel builder. And the price increases every 60 minutes. So once this launch starts, the sooner you decide to buy, the better financially for you. Okay. So the front end Spyder system, $12.93. Price will increase every 60 minutes. Okay. And then the one-time offer, unlimited edition. Okay. The one-time offer number 2. It's going to be done for you. So again, autopilot, you just buy it. Everything is going to be done for you. Okay, done for you leads and swipes, limitless traffic, license rights to everything. Okay, so you can actually help other people in the future. If you decide to get this product, then you can help other affiliate marketers increase their traffic and revenue, and they'll pay you for this. Okay. So now you can send unlimited email to unlimited subscribers, but we don't just stop there. That also lets you build unlimited funnels and host unlimited files. Usually the value of this gift is easily, as I said, $2,000 a year. So I'm just paraphrasing what was in the sales page, okay? But when you act today, we'll give you our access to our premium 100% free, no monthly, no recurring costs ever, okay? Just our way of saying thank you for trusting us and taking the Spyder system for a test drive. And again, this is just talking about the money back guarantee. So if you decide that you want to buy it and then down the road, for whatever reason, it's not quite what you thought it was, that's okay. They've got you covered, okay? And again, my bonus is here, guys. So just go down here, and if we click on one of these bonuses, it's going to take you to the access page, okay? Okay, so once we get here to the bonus page, you can just see that these access here hyperlinks, if you just click on here, you'll be able to claim my bonuses, okay? If you decide that you want to purchase Spyder system, I would really appreciate it if you picked my bonuses and my links to get your Spyder system, okay? Okay, guys, so yeah, just at the bottom here, and that's me, Kieran Hogg. So I want to thank you guys for spending some time learning about Spyder system with me. I hope I was able to clear up some of the questions you may have. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will be back very soon with more great content. Thank you very much. Kieran Hogg signing off.